John Hume KCSG was an Irish politician who served as the second leader of the Social Democratic and Labour Party from 1979 to 2001. A native of Derry, he was a founding member of the SDLP and was co-recipient of the 1998 Nobel Peace Prize with David Trimble. He also served as a member of the European Parliament and a member of the UK Parliament, as well as a member of the Northern Ireland Assembly. Hume is regarded as one of the most important figures in the recent political history of Ireland and one of the architects of the Northern Ireland peace process. He was also a recipient of the Gandhi Peace Prize and the Martin Luther King Award, the only person to receive the three major peace awards. In 2010 he was named Ireland's greatest in a public poll by Irish national broadcaster RTE Acute to find the greatest person in Ireland's history. In 2012, Pope Benedict XVI made Hume a Knight Commander of the Papal Order of St. Gregory the Great. John Hume was born in Derry in 1937, with an Irish Catholic background. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.